My name is Sabhas Chandra and you are watching Judgment Saga. In today's video, I will share highlight of judgment of Honorable Patna High Court. Messrs. Kankanadi Homeo Hall versus State of Bihar through its Chief Secretary, Department of Health and others. In this case, petitioner prayed for quashing the order passed by the Assistant Drug Controller whereby and whereunder the license of the petitioner has been cancelled. At the time of raid, inspection team found two discrepancies. One of the discrepancies was that at the time of inspection, no competent person of the medicine shop was present. The Honorable Patna High Court held that non-presence of a competent person in the medicine shop at the time of inspection is one-time monetary lapse is not such a grave violation that would entail cancellation of license, meaning thereby that the impugned decision of the authorities of the cancelling the license of the shop is disproportionate to the gravity of the offences alleged. Hence, impugned orders passed by the Assistant Drug Controller and the Appellate Authority cum Principal Secretary Health Department are quashed. Thank you for watching.